Yes, I'm again on the train station. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and those are new, welcome. And yeah, I'm again on the train station. I'm going to Potsdam today for two reasons. One is I have to pick up something from there from a friend, and the second thing, I thought that let's shoot a Potsdam. Potsdam is also a very nice city and it's really close to Berlin, so why not? So stay tuned with me. Catch you. So guys, I'm already on the in the Potsdamer Platz. Potsdam, sorry, not Platz. So it's a very beautiful lake when you come out from the station. It's really amazing. You can see that the lake is really beautiful, and this city itself really beautiful. I don't know what is this building that with the green comb. I think it's a church or something. There is another lake after 5 minutes, and you can see people are doing boatings here, and there is a restaurant very beautiful, and they are doing fishing here. I hope they're doing very well, but it's so nice. This is another amazing building here. I like this kind of a building so much. I mean, Potsdam is really beautiful city, really beautiful city. And those are living in Berlin, in Germany, they knew that Potsdam is actually in the sea zone of Berlin. So I will recommend you guys to, when you come here, so just buy ABC ticket and then travel a lot, like with walking. I'm walking right now, and it's really beautiful city. Soon I will meet my friend, so I hope so that I will go to the other park, which is very also beautiful. So stay tuned. I mean, you could easily love this city if you are really old style guy. I mean, obviously, like, oh my god, these are new actually, these golden statues. And let me check, I can cross the road or not, but I'm doing that. There's no signal over here. See, this is another beautiful building here. This is actually Film Museum, Potsdam. I don't know like if I could go inside or not, or I have to buy the ticket, I don't know. This is called Film Museum Kino. Maybe after I got all my vaccine, then I will start to go in the museum. Right now I'm not very comfortable to go in the rush places. Oopsie, the bird in the cage. Actually this is eagle. So guys, we are just enter in a Sanssouci Park in Potsdam, and this is the back side from where we entered. I love cats so much. I don't know whose cat is this, but it's really nice. Cute. So guys, I'm sorry, I forgot to introduce this guy. Hi. This is Zishan. This is also Zishan and also Zishan. So he lives in Potsdam. I came to meet him, and he is like showing me around this small park. Not a small park, it's a very big park actually. So stay tuned with us. See you. So guys, we are here in the main park, and now we are going that place. I don't know what is that place, Zishan?
It's actually whole Sanssouci Park, and this is one of the palaces.
Ah, so that's a palace. I mean, that's a small palace with extra queen, maybe, or something. So this is really beautiful lake all over this place. You can see This is a really beautiful palace actually. We are going upstairs now. So, wait a second. So that's a front door over that side, and that's a side door where we got the small way, and there we have to go later, this palace, and right now we are going this one. Actually that is the main palace, that is a side palace, maybe a conference room at that time or something, I don't know, but let's go upstairs and then we will go on the main palace.
Say hi to the bride.
So guys, finally we are on the stage now. I'm just so tired because there's so much stairs. Where is my crown? Zishan, where is my crown?
Your crown is well with the
Oh. So people from the Pakistan see the modern horse carriage. I love those horses so much. Okay guys, this is I think full
your bird
park.
view.
Yeah, full park view. So right now we are at this area. I think we are crossing this thing. This one. You can see that.
Yes, we entered from here.
So we were?
We entered from here.
Yeah. And then somehow we end up.
Yes, we saw this.
No,
Palace.
we entered from here actually.
We saw this palace.
Yeah, we entered from here. See, the palace was in front of that, and then we are coming towards there, and now we're going somewhere on that direction. So guys, this is another palace, I think. Ooh, what's inside? Sorry guys, I'm going inside. What is inside? Oh wow. You can see there are lots of statues. So guys, I think that statue I showed you just now, they are from the main street, that main where we were, where I showed you that there is a main entrance and there is going direct to that main palace. There are lots of statues in between that, so they have taken out. Last time when I was here, so I was thinking that why they are covered at pillars, but now I understand that why they are covered. Actually, they were working on that. Okay guys, this is I think in the middle of somewhere, I don't know, but this is the center part of that palace where I am just now, and this is the front look of the palace. I mean, I'm really assuming that how it was looking at that time when the royal era was happening. Really nice. Guys, I just noticed in this palace someone is living in there. How could it possible? Who can wanna live in this area? I mean, in the night it will be the horror place ever. So guys, I hope you liked the first part of this vlog, and stay tuned for the next one. Probably it will come in the next week, so stay tuned with me, and I hope you will like the today's vlog, and you will like the next one for sure. And yeah, be happy, let the people happy, and take care of yourself. See you next vlog. Bye bye.